Welcome to Always Dolls. We're so glad you're here. Today we continue our holiday-themed DIYs, sharing with you how to make your doll's classic mince pies. These tiny treats are the perfect snack for the Christmas season. Snowy or sunny, whatever the weather, they are sure to be popular in the dollhouse. If you enjoy our crafts, we'd love it if you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! For the mince pie pastry, we mixed air-dry clay to make an ecru colour. Using a ratio of 3 parts white, 1 part yellow, 1 part orange and 1 part brown, knead the clays together until fully combined. We are going to cast a mould for the pie crust. Here we have our Generation brand mini tarts. They have a diameter of 2.5 centimetres and are less than 1 centimetre deep. We bought this inexpensive silicone putty off eBay. A link will be in the description box. Simply mix equal parts white and blue, then shape the putty around the tart. The product sets within 20 minutes and is ready for casting. Alternatively, you can use the empty blister packets from cough drops as your mould. The size is similar to our OG tart, and the rounded shape will give your mince pies a more rustic look. Pinch off a small portion of your clay and roll it into a ball. Pop the clay ball into your mould and press down firmly to fill it. Use your finger to gently make an indentation in the middle, pushing the excess clay up the walls of the mould. Flip the mould over and squeeze to release the clay. Repeat this step to make more pie bases. To decorate the top of our pie, we will use this 18mm star cookie cutter. Roll out a thin sheet of your remaining ecru clay, then use the cutter to punch out tiny stars. You will need 1 star for each mince pie you intend to make. Now set your clay pieces aside to dry out and harden. Next, we will make the filling using a terracotta coloured paint and crafting sand. We chose the dark purple from this sample pack. Simply mix equal parts paint and sand to get that chunky minced pie filling effect. Scoop up some mixture with a popsicle stick and fill your pie crust almost to the top. Pop your clay star into the wet mix and press it down gently to secure in place. This is what we have so far. They look great as is, but we can step them up with a little shading using a red-brown paint. Apply your paint with a dry brush technique, rubbing it lightly over the top and sides of the pie for a golden glow. This extra step will add so much more realism to your doll food, giving it that freshly baked appearance. Repeat for all your mince pies. Now we can add the powdered sugar using hairspray and baby powder. Coat the pies with a light mist of hairspray to make them tacky, then dust over the powder. How much you use depends on how sugary you'd like the pies to look. Fantastic! Your holiday minced pies are ready for plating. We hope you've enjoyed this fun and easy doll food craft. Thanks again for joining us and come back soon for more miniature Christmas crafting fun.